Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert pictures in Publisher without affecting text. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text. Now we want to insert pictures. This Publisher document without affecting text. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Pictures option. Then choose picture from our file. Then click Insert. Now we can see here inserted a picture but affecting the text. Now we want to undo this affecting text. Click the picture. Go to the Picture Format menu. Click Wrap Text option. Choose None. Now we can see here not affected text. This picture is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.